Let's take a look at this example. Please keep in mind that anytime we talk about y-intercept, we talk about the point which has x-coordinate equals 0 and y-coordinate in this case equals -3. And we have equation of the line which is equal 5. Please keep in mind that the slope-intercept form looks like this. Y is equal mx plus b, where m is slope and b is y-intercept. Okay, so we do not have x over here. Okay, so it means that m is equal 0, because 0 times x is equal 0. That's why we end up with this. So in other words, we can write this like 0x plus 5. So my m1 is equal 0. Now we're supposed to find the line which is parallel to this one and has to pass by this point. So anytime we talk about parallel lines, m1 has to be equal to m2. I'm going to write this formula. m1 is equal to m2 and has to be equal 0. And we have point x0, y0. Next, in order to find the equation of the line which is parallel to this one and will pass by this point, we're supposed to use the point slope form. Y minus y0 equals mx minus x0. I have y minus y0 is equal -3 equals m, which is equal 0 in this case, times x minus 0. So I have y plus 3 is equal 0 times anything gives me 0. So I have y is equal -3. So I found the equation of the line which is parallel to this line and passes by y-intercept of -3. So this is the solution to my problem.